Hello and welcome back to this course. In our previous videos, we have discussed about the set, hash set, linked hash set and sorted set interface. And in this video, we will discuss about the TreeSet class, which implements the sorted set interface. In our previous video, in which we discussed about the sorted set interface, we have also created some program about the sorted set, in which have used the object of the TreeSet class. So let's see what is a TreeSet class in collection framework in Java. So TreeSet is one of the most important implementation of the sorted set interface in Java that use a tree for storage. Now tree is also a data structure. So it is one of the most important implementation. TreeSet has implements the sorted set and it uses the tree for storage. Tree is a data structure. Now the ordering of the elements is maintained by set using their natural ordering, whether or not an explicit comparator is used. Now the elements, we know that elements in the sorted set are ordered, and in tree set elements are also ordered by the natural ordering or by using the comparator in our program basically. I hope that you know about the comparator. Now these are the points about the TreeSet class that we have to keep in our mind while coding. So the first point, TreeSet implements the sorted set interface, so duplicate values are not allowed. Definitely we cannot add duplicate values in our tree set. Objects in a tree set are stored in a sorted and ascending order. We know that elements in the sorted set are ordered. Also in tree set, elements are ordered and they are present in the ascending order. Now the tree class does not preserve the insertion order of the elements, but elements are sorted by key. Now the insertion order is not preserved, but the elements are sorted by the help of their key. Key means value of that element. So order is not preserved, but elements are sorted by using the key. TreeSet does not allow to insert heterogeneous data. We cannot add data of different data types. Heterogeneous data is not allowed in the TreeSet. Fifth point, TreeSet serves as an excellent choice for storing large amount of sorted information which are supposed to be accessed quickly because of its faster access and retrieval time. So TreeSet is one of the best class in the Java that is helpful whenever we want to access our data fast and quickly in our program. So that's why we use the TreeSet class in Java. So these are the 5 points about the TreeSet class that you have to keep in your mind while coding in Java. So I hope you understand. In our previous video, we have created a code for the TreeSet and the sorted set. So I hope that you understand about the TreeSet class and the sorted set interface. So I hope that you understand. So this is the video about the TreeSet class. In our next video, we will start our map. Map is not the part of the collection framework, but we will discuss about what is a map and all the child interfaces and the class of this map. So I hope that you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding the TreeSet class or any other class or interface in the collection framework, you can definitely ask me a question. I will help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.